Here on this blank slide, I'm going to get rid of everything that's here. Then I'm going to put the background image for this slide. With this image on top, like so, insert a text box. Make this bold, or just change the font style to Avenir Next. Use white for the text. Draw a rectangle shape on top of this. This shape should be white. Send it behind the text. Then you select the text and the shape together. Come down here where you have subtract. That's what you want. Now you're going to duplicate this layer. From here, just right click on it and duplicate. Increase the size of this slide, the shape that you have on top. On the shape format, and here you see this. So it looks something like this. Then I'll move this shape around so I can see everything clearly here. Okay, I'll move this until I can see my slide here. It should be there. Now I want it to fit in this T here, like so. Add the Morphe transition to it so it transitions properly. Select the slide that you want to add the transition to, then you come to transitions and you have the Morphe transition. When you do that, you just come to show here and you have this beautiful transition of a CT. Well, I hope this video is helpful. If it was, leave a like on this video and subscribe for more videos like this.